To create a MAP English language practice assessment, start by answering some short questions. Your curriculum and grade level will automatically be filled in based on your account settings. If you want your students to focus on specific skills, input them in the lesson objective box. If you want to create a practice assessment that covers all skills, leave this box empty. Then input how many questions to create for your assessment. Once you're ready, click Generate. The assessment will automatically start to generate. Once it has been generated, take a moment to check the questions and all multiple-choice answers carefully. AI can make mistakes, so it's important to review the content before use. An answer key will also be provided to make correcting quick and easy. If you would like to make any changes to the assessment, you can do so manually or by describing the changes in the Regenerate bar. When you're satisfied with your assessment, export it in your preferred document format. And don't forget to explore our other tools designed to enhance the teaching and learning quality in your lessons.